This video is all about email marketing and the simple steps that you can take to add this strategy to your business for the first time. Okay, let me start this off by saying that if you've already launched your business and you have a website and you're hosting it on a platform like Shopify, Wix, BigCartel, you more than likely already have access to their email marketing system and you have the ability already to communicate with your customers through email. But because we want to make the most out of this strategy, the recommendations that I provide in this video will be all centered around you using an external email marketing software or platform. So step one, the first thing you want to do is you want to choose an email marketing provider. And this is the email marketing platform or provider that you will connect to your store. Connecting your email marketing provider to your store allows you to collect information from potential customers, sell to them later through your emails, and steer them to your store. There are many types of platforms that you can use or you can sign up for. You have Klaviyo, you have MailChimp, you have MailerLite, you have OmniSend. At this point, it really doesn't matter. It's all about you selecting a platform, because at the end of the day, switching from platform to platform really isn't that hard. So don't get caught up in deciding what platform you should pick. This step is all about you deciding to choose one. But when you do choose one of the two main things that you should consider is price and budget, meaning what you can afford or how much the platform costs on a monthly basis, and the features or the integrations that the platform allows you to do. You don't want a platform that's very restricted with the features or they are very limited features. Those are the two main things that you want to consider. The cost of the platform or what you can afford as a new business owner, and what that platform can do, all of the great and fancy things that that platform can do. The second step is to get email subscribers onto your list. Now that you've decided which platform that you're going to use, your job now is to get as many email subscribers onto your list. The more, the better. It'll be very hard for you to take advantage of the full strategy that is email marketing with very little subscribers on your list. So it's very important that you get email subscribers onto your list. By the way, if you're completely new to email marketing and this whole thing that I'm talking about, this is not a process where you would manually collect emails, right? Because I did get this question before. This is you collecting potential customers' emails on autopilot, and then you sending out either a blast or a broadcast to everyone on that list, telling them or informing them about a product or an offer that you have, or sending these sales emails to specific groups of people within your list. If you want to know how you can get as many as possible emails onto your list, I go into full detail on the best strategy that you can use to get subscribers onto your list in my free business workshop that's linked in the description box below. If you haven't as yet registered for that, I go into that process in detail there. You can register for that workshop with the link below. So right now you've selected your email marketing platform, you've connected it to your store, and you're beginning to get new email subscribers to your list automatically. This brings us to the third step, and that third step is to nurture and sell to the email subscribers that you are receiving. More than likely, these email subscribers are going to be individuals that are interested specifically in the product that you have to sell. So what you're going to do is nurture them and sell to them later through your emails, which can all be done on autopilot, by the way. Now, the reason why I say nurture is because I want you to nurture, right? Because it's going to be very likely that the email subscribers that you received haven't yet purchased from your business, or they aren't quite familiar with who you are and what your products are all about. So it's your best bet, in anticipation to them purchasing from you in the future, to nurture them and build a bit of a connection before you go ahead and sell to them. Now, here are some bonus tips that I want you to consider as you're sending your emails out. The first thing is to avoid spammy subject lines. Words like free in all caps can cause your emails to end up in the spam or junk box of your email subscribers. Using email marketing as a strategy to help you make sales is going to be impossible if nobody is actually opening your emails, or if you're having a hard time getting your emails to actually land inside of the inbox of your recipients. So you want to make sure that you are doing as much as you can on your side to make sure that your emails do not end up there. Also, if you're stressed and asking how many times should you email your list, in my opinion, the answer is it depends. Sometimes you want to be emailing your lists a little bit more frequently because maybe you are launching a new product or you're restocking on an item. But other than that, you want to probably email them a little bit less if you're just sending general sales emails. If that's the case, communicating to your email list 1 to 2 times a week should be enough. But here's something that's even more important to consider. You have to take into consideration what your email list is used to. So for example, let's say you already have email subscribers and you want to get back into email marketing. What you don't want to do is begin all of a sudden sending loads and loads of emails to your list because they aren't really used to you emailing them, and coming out of the blue asking for a sale through email may not do the trick. Instead, consider nurturing and warming them up to you and your products and your brand again, and then going in with your sales emails. Then eventually maintaining some sort of consistency with the emails that you release to your list. At the end of the day, email marketing is a very valuable tool inside of your sales strategy toolbox, I guess, for new business owners, and it's something that you should definitely consider investing in if you haven't as yet, or going back and doubling down on email marketing if it's something that you've started in the past. The link to that free training that I talked about is going to be linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out if you haven't as yet, and go ahead and register. If you like this video on getting started with email marketing, you may also like my other general videos on getting started. So I'm going to link a few of them on the screen and you can check them out, and I'll see you there.